Leviton's VXC Coupler is a cost-effective cable termination device which may be used as a consolidation point to connect two sections of horizontal cable, or may be used to create a durable modular plug connection for wireless access points, video cameras, and other ceiling-mounted devices. The coupler is plenum rated and can be used in riser and plenum applications. In this video, we will demonstrate the use of the VXC coupler as a consolidation point, connecting two sections of unshielded twisted pair cable. No proprietary tools are required to terminate the VXC coupler, just standard hand tools, a cable strip tool, a flush cutter, and a small screwdriver. The VXC coupler can be used with any shielded or unshielded Category 6 or Category 6A cables. Here we are using the Leviton SST cable, a UTP Cat 6A cable with a foil isolation wrap. The VXC coupler package includes the VXC coupler, two wire managers, one black and one white, and two cable ties. To start, strip the cable, taking care not to nick the pair insulation. For UTP cables, use a 1.5-inch strip length. Nip and tear off the foil. Since this is an unshielded twisted pair cable, the foil layer in this cable is not a shield, so it does not need to be bonded and grounded. Nip and tear off the mylar wrap. Remove the cable's center spline. Again, take care not to damage the wire pairs. Other Cat 6A UTP cables may have different constructions, but cable preparation will be similar. Next, thread the pairs into the wire manager per the T568A or T568B wiring pattern. Observing the pair polarity, pull each wire into its proper slot in the wire manager. Trim all wires flush with the sides of the wire manager. Place the prepared wire manager onto one side of the VXC coupler with the arrow on the wire manager and the arrow on the device door pointing the same direction. Close the device doors onto the wire manager, thus terminating the wires. Secure the cable to the device by cinching one of the included cable ties around the rear stanchion of the device. Trim the excess tail from the cable tie. Terminate the other side of the VXC coupler in a similar manner as the first, using the other wire manager. Note that one white and one black wire manager must be used. The wire managers are physically the same except for their color, so they are interchangeable as to whichever side of the coupler they are applied. If the VXC needs to be reopened for rewiring or reuse, cut the cable tie with flush cutters, then use a small screwdriver to gently pry open the latch points of the device doors. Gently pry the wire manager away from the contacts. A user-provided cable tie may be used when re-terminating the VXC coupler. The proper cable tie size is 100 mm by 2.5 mm. An instruction sheet may be found at leviton.com/VXC. Click on the VXC coupler, then click Support Downloads.